Hi everyone. Today's video I'm going to be reacting to a compilation of people freaking out in court once they find out how many years they have to do in prison. Because I find it interesting seeing the reaction of like screaming or running out. But most people also like realize how fucked they are and they try to have fun with it by doing some dumb shit. So let me put on the first compilation.
Is the arraignment of 20-year-old Spencer Allen Boston. At a traffic stop 2 months earlier, Boston received citations.
He looks like just the kind of guy chew like half weed. Just look at him.
Yes, sir. I think it's
with the hair and the beard.
The marijuana law here. I think we the people deserve better because marijuana is a very harmless drug and it's been around for ages, since the 80s and 90s.
I've heard that baloney all my life, so don't go any further on that.
Immediately the judge is like, shut the fuck up, I don't care.
The judge works with court employees to schedule a trial date.
May 7th.
Boston decides to take action as he pulls out what appears to be a joint.
Oh nah.
No one seems
See,
to notice until
this is what I talk about, people just giving up and just try to have fun.
he lights up, and this time it's noticed immediately.
Oh, there you go. People immediately just start swarming him.
Boston may have finally pleaded his case.
Hey! We the people deserve better.
Oh, we the people. That sounds so gay. We the people.
And Judge Barry gets the final word.
Take you to jail.
Oh, not even go to court, just straight to jail.
He's pled guilty to armed robbery.
That is such a bad mugshot. I hate it so much.
A family member makes a victim impact statement on behalf of the victim's mother, who's too overcome with emotion to speak.
I sincerely hope that whatever it was you wanted so badly, that you felt the need to murder.
The guy down on the left, he looks like he's like unfazed by her, like, by her emotions. He's just smiling, like rubbing his hands. Oh my god.
I just want to tell y'all, I'll be home soon. R.I.P. Keon. I love my family.
No.
That's all you got to say.
That's all you have to say.
You know, I have never in 23 years approximately ever not accepted a sentence agreement between the parties because it's a bargain for sentence.
You know you fucked up when the judge says never in my blank years, because that they really put like some emphasis behind that.
We'll go to trial, and if you're convicted of felony murder, you'll go to prison for the rest of your life. That means you'll die there. That's what I'm tempted to do.
Jesus. Okay, now he looks serious. I feel so bad for that lawyer defending him because he looks like, oh, I'm so fucked. Oh, the second he walks in and sits down, already just causing trouble.
Take my kids from me and act like that? You ain't that bitch.
I don't understand. In his head, he's getting angry that a judge took his kids because he's not being responsible, but he's just proving the judge right by acting like a kid.
Do you want to be here when the jury's here? What the do you think? I don't know. I need you to answer.
McCarty's eventually found guilty. He returns the following month for sentencing.
I wonder why.
You're before the court, Mr. McCarty, to show cause why I should not hold you in contempt for behavior that you demonstrated during the jury trial. You threatened the unborn child of the prosecutor.
What a bunch of lies, you stupid piece.
Then also,
You threatened my life.
Non-stop, just cussing.
back room.
Suck it. No, I'm not standing. Not resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm just not standing up. I'm not standing. I don't have to stand.
McCarty's removed again. This time he's placed in a back room with a one-way mirror.
Oh, what?
Count one, I'm going to adjudicate him guilty, sentence him to 15 years.
That's even funnier because you don't see him, but you just hear him yelling in the back. That's
years in Florida State Prison. As to count two, I'm going to adjudicate him guilty.
Since his arrest, Rhodes's behavior has been unpredictable and at times violent.
Oh, look at him. Look at that smug face. Jesus.
As a result, he's wheeled in wearing restraints and a spit mask.
Oh, what, a spit mask? Wait, is that an actual thing? Let me see. Okay, so yeah, it is like an actual thing. I prefer if they had this one, which is a plastic bag over the head.
Y'all have me come out like this for?
I think you know why.
I think you know why.
You know exactly why. Now, listen, stop talking. You have been... I'm going to keep talking because I don't want to have to see you back here for this.
But you think can't find out where you live at?
This feels like an actual like scripted like comedy show. It doesn't feel real.
So you're saying you're gonna find out where I'm at?
about none of that. You got something, I'll be out.
Okay.
Yeah,
You've been charged with assault in the 4th degree, minor injury, terroristic threatening in the 3rd degree, and harassment with physical contact. There are new charges. I'm entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Would you like me to read the arrest warrant to you?
No, I'm not guilty.
I am setting a bond of $15,000 full cash on that on those charges, and the other case, once this actually gets served on you, is going to be dismissed without prejudice as duplicate. Do you have any questions? Would you like?
I have to respect her for like just pushing through and not letting him like overspeak her.
I just said that.
Alright.
And would you like an attorney?
Take me back to my cell.
I'm not taking you anywhere. They can take you back, but would you like an attorney?
No, she's being so nice. God bless her.
There's no way I'm going to try this case or have any further proceedings, or I have to see you for one further setting. Set for the hearing next week.
Oh. Now, watch it again. Now I understand the point of a spit mask. Yeah, definitely. Oh, charges, leaning back, arms crossed.
While waiting to go to trial, he and 4 other inmates incited a riot inside the Fayette County Detention Center.
A riot. A what? A beanbag? Oh, that's from the
After being
SWAT.
shot with
Okay.
beanbag bullets. Then hit in
Ooh.
the neck by a pepper ball.
Oh, that's brutal.
Webb whips a metal telephone box at a corrections officer.
Now they saved it for court again. Oh, no.
Got an additional 50 years. Now, 5 years later.
Oh, there he is. He's back with a new pair of glasses. That's nice.
Reveals a demented murder hit list.
Nah.
It reads those that must
Kill
die,
rats.
all judges,
Holy
all
shit.
prosecutors, all cops, the media. Below that, 3
Oh,
rats
nah.
have been scratched out, and many.
That would be kind of scary if he wrote down like the names of snitches that he knew in prison. Oh, also, how the fuck do you get a tattoo in prison? Did someone sneak in like a tattoo pen or whatever? Also, I kind of want to know what he has there. If it's so, because it must be really bad for it to be like censored on TV.
After reading the charges, the judge asked Burks how she'd like to plead.
You have 3
Oh,
pleas available
here we
to
go.
you today.
Guilty, not guilty.
Not guilty, no contest. What plea would you enter?
I'm not guilty.
So far, so good. The judge sets bond for the 2 charges at $15,000.
Okay, not that bad. It's a lot, but it's like doable.
You can't go visit them. If you go someplace, even though you may have arrived first and one of them shows up, you have to leave.
So you gonna tell me I can't go home?
I'm telling you, you can't go home. If you live with Mr. McRae, you cannot return to that residence.
Oh, but how you just gonna tell me I can't go home though?
What?
How you gonna tell me I can't go to my home?
I just did.
I just
Typically, right
did.
about now, a lawyer or even a judge might try to de-escalate the situation. But it's clear this is not a typical bond hearing.
How you gonna tell me I can't go to my home?
I just did.
Well, I bet I do.
Well, then you're in contempt, young lady, and you've got 30 days. So you're not going. You're not what?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get back! Get back!
Get back here.
Get back! That's another 30 days. That's 60 days.
So what?
90 days.
Oh no, I hate these when they keep on adding more and more time. Oh no. Oh nah, just give up and just sit back down.
It looks like Burks may be finished.
What else you got to say?
Hold on, she's coming back.
Nothing. We'll talk in 6 months when you're ready to come back for your case.
I ain't got money.
That's 200 days.
Oh come on! All she did was say, "I ain't got no money." Okay. Oh.
Though she racked up 300 days, Burks only ended up serving 88.
Oh.
According to Judge Bennett,
Fair enough.
it was the longest sentence he's ever imposed for contempt of court. As for her
How
assault,
boring must his life be as a judge? To be like 88 is the longest he's ever given to somebody.
Let's kick things off in the Benton County Justice Center in Washington State, where a judge has found Gerald Hyde II guilty of
General
methamphetamine
Hyde
possession.
sick. How do people still have the second in
With
their
the
name?
arraignment now over, he's being taken back to jail. Or is he?
The way he just walked backwards. Also, I have to appreciate that nobody else like told him about it. I like that.
He strips off his prison issue shirt
That's kind of clever because at least then
and uses
they
it
won't
to
see
hide
him
his handcuffs.
wearing the shirt. It's kind of clever. I want to see how far he gets.
He makes it to the hallway, and after a quick look around, he takes off.
Oh my, he might actually be able to make it.
Along the way, he ditches the distinctive orange prison issue shoes.
Well, no, to be fair, now it looks more suspicious to be running like barefooted.
Quickly makes his way to the lobby until he exits straight through the front doors and out onto the street.
Holy shit.
All
He might
before
make it.
anyone seemingly even noticed he was missing.
How shitty do you have to be at your job? Also, these two guys here on the left could have easily made it out. I don't know why I don't know why they didn't just like book it.
But within 2 hours, police catch up with him hiding in a friend's house.
Okay, that's kind of dumb. Hiding in a friend's
Immediately
house.
taken back into custody.
Where else would you hide? No, but there would be better options than hiding in a friend's house. Definitely.
In the courtroom of Judge R.W. Buzzard, who's just finished some business with the 4 defendants to the right. Neither of them feel like sticking around. Judge Buzzard springs into action.
There he goes. Fucking hell. Jeez, alright, took off his shirt. God damn.
And prison issue sandals.
Oh my god, that makes so much sense. I was wondering, that's such a weird something to wear on your feet, sandals. But then I realized, oh, it's to like slow them down when they're running. That's actually genius.
They've made it to the 3rd floor stairwell.
This feels like a cartoon, just the way they're running.
And now to the 2nd. Just 1 floor away from freedom.
That guy behind him, it's so sluggish.
But Judge Buzzard is gaining some ground, especially on the one who lost his sandal.
Oh, there you go, got one.
The judge tackles the lagging defendant just outside the exit to the building.
Oh, he comes
2
back.
deputies catch up moments later and bring him back to a cell. The other defendants picked up just
the
a
other
few
guy?
blocks away. Both have second-degree escape added to their charges. What were
I
these
feel like they
two
would be,
thinking?
I feel like out of the ones I saw before, this one was the closest one, directly getting away.
I said, what am I doing? What did I just do? I gotta go with it now. There's nothing, I can't stop right here. There's nothing I can do now. I'm screwed.
Even
I
he
only get
regrets
like
it.
4 blocks and then I stopped. Like I just stopped on my own. I'm like, what am I doing right now? It was
Oh, you fucking idiot! You're so dumb.
Head to Cleveland, Ohio, to the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court for the sentencing of convicted serial killer Michael
He looks so
Madison.
sour and bitter.
Madison's been convicted on 3
Fucking
counts of
hell, man, calm
aggravated
down.
murder for the
Can't you look a little bit more happier for the photo?
As part of the hearing, Van Terry, the father of one of Madison's victims, steps up to the podium to make a victim impact statement.
I guess we're supposed to, in our hearts, forgive this clown
This clown.
who's touched our families, taken my child.
He's looking directly at Madison.
Here he goes. There he goes. Oh my god, he would have crushed him. It would have been pretty like fun to watch him like just beat the shit out of him. Okay, so if the dad just tried to attack the criminal, would the criminal get less years in his sentence? Because I feel like then he's causing, because then I feel like he's been harmed, so he kind of deserves less time. I don't know.
Michael Madison is sentenced to death.
Oh, fair.
Now live on
Well,
Ohio's death row.
okay, that's pretty deserved, I guess. Okay, so that was the end of the compilation, and some of them were kind of like tame, where like the convict wasn't really like being loud, but the ones where they were being loud, they were getting really angry and just like non-stop swearing at the judge or like spitting on them, like that one guy did. But overall, it was worth watching the compilation just for like those few clips where like they actually were pretty funny, like the ones of the guy, like the ones of that guy who tried to escape, or those 2 friends that they only started running because they felt like it, and then after they were like, oh, what am I doing this, and they just gave up. That was pretty funny. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.